does this go?
Turn around. No, not that
Like
one.
this?
No. The old way.
Oh. It goes up here?
No. Stop. No, it does. Yeah, it does go up there.
Is that right?
Yes.
So can you get on now? Do we have to hook anything else, or is that it? Okay. Is there something up there that shouldn't be up there?
Yeah.
What's that?
I don't know.
Is it this?
Yes, it's that.
What is it?
I don't know.
You say cinch? Can you feel it?
Huh?
Feel it. Where does it go? You want to hand it to Mommy when I'm ready? Hand it to Mommy. Thank you.
I try.
It's not caught on his stirrup, is it?
Yeah.
Can you move it?
No. Told you my lungs are burning.